Hey guys, have a special package that came in today. Normally, I'm not very good at speaking on the fly, so I usually don't say anything, but today I'm pretty excited. My station isn't exactly set up properly, but I'll just do this quick video before I go to bed. This one is another one of those Gundam kit, but it's a special one that imported over. Let me unwrap this and show you guys. Pretty excited. This is probably by far what I've been looking forward to, and it has arrived today. Alright, so the box is a little big, kind of a little out of frame, but that's okay. Alright, let me get it. Okay, they nicely wrapped this for me, nice and secure. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's not the one. Oh, that's what I ordered, but that's not what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, I'll put that for another time, but this is what I wanted when I saw it. I could not resist. Get the box out. Oops. Get that out. I cannot believe they made this. It's instant cup noodles. Bandai Gundam, like one of those Gundam kit. I don't know what they actually call, but they made it. Look. And it was kind of pricey, but I just had to get it. I can't believe they made this. Okay. Okay. Plastic model kit. Do not eat. There you go. Cup noodle. Plastic model. Oh my god. Alright. Unfortunately, I don't have time to open and start working on this one yet. So, video will be in a while, probably like a week or two. But I can't wait. This is probably going to be my favorite one to do. But I just was so excited to receive this package. I just want to make a quick video, because this is beyond awesome. Oh. I wonder if they make like different flavor, because that would be a nice collection. But anywho, that's it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe. Help me. Thank you. See you guys. Peace.